I think a well-defined path edge can really set off a garden. What I'm trying to do here is make a sort of fake stone edging out of these old concrete blocks by shaping them up with an angle grinder and then spraying them grey to look like stone cut blocks. And they're going to have little Buddha sentries every metre or so to make it look a bit Cambodian. This plant here is a canna. Now if you're growing cannas, the thing that everyone's frightened of is the dreaded canna virus, and there is no cure for it. And what it looks like is a sort of stripiness on the leaves, and in the early stages it can be very, very difficult to figure out if it's got it or whether that's actually what the canna is like, if it's one you haven't grown before. And this little chap here we have is in quarantine, because if you look at his leaves, they've got a bit of stripiness on here, and we're not sure whether he's got the virus or not. It's very easily spread, and he will have to be kept isolated. If he's got the virus, he'll have to be got rid of, the pot and everything, and you must wash your tools off after you've touched him or dug him out or whatever. But we'll have to wait and see. In order to create some more space in the beds, we've dug up the alliums a little bit early, I know, and we're going to store them in the greenhouse to give us bigger. What's happening is when we're trying to plant the summer stuff, we're damaging the bulbs because they seem to have spread everywhere this year. We'll put them back in the autumn. What I'm doing here is what has now been named the Chelsea chop, which is cutting these perennials back that have got a bit leggy, so that they fill out a bit and bush out a bit better, because they're just sort of collapsed. And it's called the Chelsea chop because people were supposed to do it around about the time of the Chelsea flower show. But it does help to rejuvenate tired-looking perennials.